The Airwaves, lucky finishing lunch. It is Friday, February 5th. I have 3 productions of the day. Okay, first, remember this, Frida? Didn't work out. Here is today's try. Much better. No? Look at this, much better. I just started it, but honestly, it makes much more sense. It's her photo, it's a photo, right? It's a photograph. Okay, I'm working on that. Comparison. Okay. Here is my Frida. So just started it, but it's gonna be much better. Then, it is award season. Since it's award season, I made my Oscar. This is the Oscar 2021. On the 19th of March, God allowing, in 2 weeks, I'll be 10 years sober. So I'm given this award. I also will get a Grammy Award. A Grammy. I win every season since 2011, when I sobered up. On the 19th of March, I received all sorts of awards. Pulitzer, Nobel Prize, Oscars, an Oscar, I get an Oscar. I win every time. I win every single time. That's my story, and I'm sticking with it. Enjoy your day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. And the weekend is here. Beautiful weather in Toronto. You'll see the sunshine. And I have one thing to say. Life is beautiful. And it's getting more beautiful with every passing day. See you tomorrow. Oh, and I forgot to show you also this. This is a painting of, in Mississauga, in the center of Mississauga, there is this beautiful condominium and it's called Absolute. So this is a painting of that. Forgot to, production.